Hello guys, what's up? My name is Marlon and I live here in South Brazil. I'm 53 years old and since I was 17 I have studied English. In those times we did not have these tools, these magnificent tools we have nowadays. These platforms like Google, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. I think they are very important to make you understand a language and give you subsidies to go deeper into the language. My intention is to, offer you some Portuguese learning. I would like to start with the, basics like good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, hello, how are you doing, thanks, okay, you're welcome, things like this in the beginning. So I'd like to start with the good morning. In Portuguese we say bom dia. Good morning, bom dia. Well, then we have the afternoon. We say good afternoon. In Portuguese it is boa tarde. Good afternoon, boa tarde. Okay, when it's evening we say boa noite. Good evening, boa noite. Good evening, boa noite. When we say boa noite, when leaving some place, somewhere, or going somewhere, we say boa noite. Same thing. So, boa noite means good evening and good night. Okay? In English we have these two possibilities. Good evening in the beginning. When you leave you say good night. But in Portuguese you say boa noite, boa noite. It doesn't matter. Okay? Well, when you meet someone for the first time in the day, you say good morning. Bom dia. How are you? Como vai você? How are you? Como vai você? How are you? Como você vai? How are you? Como você vai? How are you? Como você está? How are you? Como vai você? Ou como você vai? How are you? How are you doing? Como você vai? Como está você? Okay? Then, the other person says, I'm fine. Estou bem. I'm fine. Estou bem. I'm fine. Estou bem. Or, it's okay. Tudo bem. How are you? I'm fine. Como você está? Tudo bem. Okay? So the person who replied says, and you? E você? And you? E você? And you? E você? Or, e você, como vai? And you, how are you? E você, como vai? Okay? When we thank someone for something, we say, oh, thank you. Obrigado. Thank you. Or thanks. Obrigado. Thank you. Obrigado. Thanks. Obrigado. Thank you very much. Muito obrigado. Thank you very much. Muito obrigado. In Brazil, it's used to say in reply, you are welcome. De nada. Thank you. You are welcome. Obrigado. De nada. Thank you. Obrigado. The other says. De nada. You are welcome. De nada. I know that in English it's not used to say a reply, but in Portuguese we are used to say de nada or por nada. Por nada. So we have two possibilities or more. De nada, por nada. Thank you. Obrigado você. You are welcome. De nada or por nada.